Hello world, here's BD, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today I am your Dogecoin trading informant. Guys, I told you, attention on Dogecoin, we may break out here from this triangle. Look at this, guys. Here is the update I promised you. First of all, we saw this triangle here. This is the 4-hour time frame, and we had a really nice target to the upside. It was 72 cents. Look at this. It was a perfect hit. So guys, first of all, congratulations to all who made this nice trade. Now we are building the next big triangle. You can see it here. The big question is now, can we break it up to the upside or will we break down, guys? And if we're zooming in a little bit more, this is the 4-hour time frame. You can see it. It is a dangerous situation. We saw here a nice breakout. It was a perfect breakout for Doge. I'm zooming in a little bit more and more and more, and you can see it here. We saw a nice breakout, a confirmed closing candle, a retest, a price to the upside. This was the perfect place for a long position. What happened? Bitcoin happened. We saw a big dump to the downside, and you can see this big dump to the downside, nearly to this line here to the downside. So for the moment, we are back in this triangle again, and we are fighting with this triangle again. Guys, it's not so easy to trade this breakout because of this false breakout of this, let me tell it, fake out. Guys, we need to watch this now. I will draw this line here. That's the down line, that's the up line, like this one here. So let's move this line. This is our new spike to the upside. We saw a perfect hit to this one, 0.618. This is the Fibonacci line at 28 cents. Now we're going down a little bit, 24 cents, a bad spike to the downside, but everything is possible for the moment, and this is still a nice moment, guys. Look at this. If you're zooming out a little bit more and more and more, you can see it. This green line, and we can see on the downside 2 lines here. I draw 2 lines. First of all, this line here was a perfect support here. We hit it perfectly, and now we are going up a little bit again. Guys, we need to watch this now. This line from the downside and this line from the downside. Let me show you. It's like this here, and let me show you. This green line here is the target. If we can break out from here maybe or here maybe, depends always where we will break out this triangle. We have this line to watch, and this line, I put it to the breakout zone maybe on this point. It's not easy to tell you, but guys, if we can see a breakout, we have a new technical target, and this is on 60 cents maybe. We can make here a really nice move with XRP if we can, XRP, with Dogecoin if we can break out here to the upside. Yes, our last high was this point here, 72 cents, but if we can break out from here of the triangle, 60 cents is really possible, and that's the next big move I am watching for Doge. Guys, if something's happen like this one here, like this false breakout or this fake out, I will show you once again. This was this one here. So if you are going in on a breakout here, like this one, you will see here a nice confirmed closing candle. Maybe you're going in on 27 cents. Guys, remember to set a stop loss. It's always important to set a stop loss under the green line, because if you're going down again, you are out of the trade. So in this thing here, we saw no confirmed closing candle. Here we saw a confirmed closing candle by 25 cents. It was maybe a stop loss. So yes, we lost a little bit money. We lost 2 cents maybe, but it's better to lose 2 cents per Dogecoin as to lose extreme a lot of money, guys. Remember always to set a stop loss. Now you're out of the trade. Now I can wait a little bit. What's going on here? This support line is holding 0.5 at 22 cents, and we're back up. And guys, this how should I say, a long wick to the downside is always a nice sign. If we see a closing candle after this, this is a really nice hammer candle, and maybe we will go on from here, because this is a really nice washout candle. A lot of guys went out here because of this washout. And now we have to watch what's going on here with this candle, guys. Let's check the 1-hour time frame a little bit for this one here. Yes, long wicks to the downside is a nice side that we may go up to the upside. Remember, we can make one thing. This is our parallel channel to the downside. This is for the moment our downgoing parallel channel for Doge. And you can see the next big thing to watch, guys. This is the middle line here. We need to fight back the middle line. We are now spiking at the middle line. And maybe if we can fight back this middle line, we see a nice next leg to the upside. But for the moment, it's a downgoing thing here for the Dogecoin. Bitcoin is also going down. The most altcoins are going down. And so Dogecoin is following this downgoing price. And yes, we have to watch what's going on, but I'm still watching this triangle and maybe we will see a breakout for Dogecoin. So what is the next thing we can watch here, guys? This is the RSI Relative Strength Index on the 1 hour. Let's check this really quick on the downside. And we are for the moment oversold. You can see it here. We saw 21 points. Now we are on 25 points. Yes, we are oversold. And we can also make a line here for trading Doge. And this is our resistance line to the upside. As long as we're under this resistance, everything is possible here to go down more and more and more. Maybe to our price zone here to the downside, it's possible to see 21 or 20 cent again. After this, we should make a next move to the upside. If this will not hold, if this support will not hold 20 cent, 21 cent, we have maybe some big problems here also for Doge. We need to watch this, guys. So let's watch very quick the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is showing us this picture, and we can make also here a nice line to the upside. Guys, this was a really nice support line, and you can see it, we spiked down under this support. So the RSI line, support line, is broken to the downside. This is not good. This is bearish here. We can draw this line also from the highest points like this here, and you can see a lot of space to the upside. Everything is possible. What's going on with the MACD? We can check this also very quick. MACD. And you can see, if we are zooming in a little bit more, MACD on the 4-hour time frame is bearish. We saw here the cross. Blue line is under the brown line. We are building more and more red candles. This is absolutely bearish. Let's check the ribbon band. What is telling us this one? Ribbon band. And yes, guys, not good. We lost the ribbon band here. The ribbon band is now our resistance. We also lost the EMA 200. We also lost the middle line. Guys, this is not good. Now a lot of resistance over us. The EMA 200, the middle line, and the ribbon band is now the big fat resistance over us on the 4-hour time frame. Let's watch very quick the daily. On the daily, oh guys, on the daily we had a nice green ribbon band, but we broke it completely through the downside. So maybe we will see here very soon a red one. It depends always what's happening with this candle. 12 hours, 30-minute time to close this candle. Guys, maybe we will see a wonder, a long wick to the downside. It's for the most things a nice sign. Let me check the Ichimoku. And this is also really bearish, guys. We lost the blue line. We lost the red line. Guys, not good. Let's forget the Ichimoku. It's not good for the moment for Doge. It's not the best thing to watch here for the moment. And let's check the candlestick pattern. What are telling us the candlestick pattern on the daily? Nothing here on the 4-hour. Let's check this one. Here was a doji for a trend reversal. After this, we saw a downgoing price. No bullish signs here for the moment. Yes, this hammer candle is a bullish thing, but this is not the best thing to watch for the moment. Okay, guys, that's it. You know the targets to the downside. You know our resistance to the upside. And if we can break out Doge to the upside, this would be really, really nice. You know it, 60 cent, maybe here on the upside. It depends always where we will hit this uptrend line, maybe on this point. So it's a little bit deeper for 59 cent, but it's not so important. Let's tell it 60 cent. Guys, this is the update for Dogecoin. Let's hope for a breakout and let's hope to break all these resistances. It depends now what's going on with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will go down more and more, guys, Dogecoin may also go down here really fast. And yes, we have to watch this. This is the Bitcoin dominance, and you can see the Bitcoin dominance is now for the moment growing. We are in a nice uptrend. Here we saw a downgoing dominance. We saw a nice spike up to 47%. For the moment, we are on 44%, 0.8. And I think it's possible to grow the Bitcoin dominance if we can fight back the ribbon band in the middle line here. So we need to watch the dominance. We need to watch what's going on with our coin here, with our Dogecoin. And guys, one thing we have to check, last but not least, let me show you this important target. If we can break out over the green line, and it's for the moment on this point here. So we need a breakout over, maybe, let me check it here, 26 cent, depends always where we will break, 27 cent, 25 cent here. We need to break this green line to see maybe 60 cent for Dogecoin. For the moment, it's not easy because of this big sell-off here. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. And it doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short from here, guys. I wish you make millions. This was the quick update for Dogecoin. Bye-bye, guys. Have a nice time.
System activated.